Hello, Deb. This is Chris Andrews. I thought it would be easier if I showed you this way on how to use the forum. I agreed with everything in your letter. I feel exactly the same way, and I was so irritated that all the visitors' letters were read, but not our letter. Not the residents' letters actually came in later, so when they cut off reading the letters, all the residents were left out of it. I actually think that the mayor's mind was made up anyway. I wrote a letter to the editor today for the Island Reporter, but it wasn't very milquetoasty. Okay, but in any event, you're going to go into the Committee of the Islands and then log in. Okay, and then go to forums here, and you want to go to this one about tourism managing. It should be say Sanibel in a pandemic age, and then let's say here's one by Arlene Dillon, so you could read this. And if this print is too small for you, you can open this up and just increase the text size, and that'll help a lot. Okay, then hit reply. Okay, so if you wanted to reply to her message, okay, and then post it. Or if you wanted to, you could go back to the forum and you could start a whole new thread. Okay, and what maybe the bit about the mayor and that his own political ambitions, which were so transparent, it was disgusting. Okay, so if this doesn't make any sense, let me know. Alrighty.